Today I'm here to talk to you about Core Web Vitals. I will briefly introduce the program and then describe the metrics and useful tips on how to optimize these indicators. Core Web Vitals is a program promoted by Google that describes the optimal metrics to deliver a good user experience on the website. Let's have a look at the Google Core Web Vitals. 3 metrics make up the Core Web Vitals. The number 1 is largest contentful paint, the second Core Web Vital is first input delay, and the third one, or you may say the last one, is cumulative layout shift. The metric introduced to measure the perception of page loading is largest contentful paint. It is actually the total time taken by the largest content to load on the page. It could be the image or text. An optimal value of largest contentful paint should be equal to or less than 2.5 seconds. Of course, it is important not only to be able to see the content, but also to be able to interact with it. And for this aspect, Google has introduced the first input delay metric. An optimal first input delay value is under 100 milliseconds. The last aspect we want to cover aims to measure a website's ability to offer a stable experience over time, free of content jumps or movements that are unexpected for the user. The metric responsible for measuring this is cumulative layout shift. Google suggests getting a value equal to or less than 0.10. Before moving forward, let's take a look at the prerequisites. What is fold and above the fold? The content that is visible on the initial load is known as the above the fold content. And the remaining content is below the fold content. What does viewport means? The viewport is the user's visible area of a web page. The viewport varies with the device and will be smaller on a mobile phone than on a computer screen.